Hey everyone, welcome back to QuikFood. Today we're making a delicious strawberry matcha cream cake that you're going to love. Let's get started. First, take 50 ml of vegetable oil. Add 5 grams of matcha powder and mix until smooth. Then pour in 75 ml of warm milk and stir. Add 70 grams of cake flour and mix thoroughly. Take 4 egg yolks and add them to the batter, stirring well. In a separate bowl, take the 4 egg whites and add a few drops of lemon juice. Beat the egg whites until frothy. Then gradually add 50 grams of granulated sugar. Continue mixing until soft peaks form. Freeze the mixture for 10 minutes before whipping it to stiff peaks. Gently fold the whipped egg whites into the batter. Mix well to ensure a smooth consistency. Pour the batter into a cake mold, then use a stick to draw circles through the batter to remove air bubbles. Gently shake and tap the mold to further eliminate bubbles. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. While the cake bakes, prepare the strawberry cream. Start by mixing 30 grams of cream cheese with 8 grams of granulated sugar until smooth. Next, add 100 ml of heavy cream and 5 grams of strawberry powder. Mix until well combined. Once the cake is baked, let it cool before removing it from the mold. Create small holes in the cake and fill them with the strawberry cream. Add a few strawberry slices and mint leaves for extra flavor and garnish. Finally, sprinkle strawberry crumbs and icing sugar on top. Your delicious strawberry matcha cream cake is ready to enjoy. Doesn't it look amazing? Share this treat with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to QuikFood for more delicious recipes. See you next time.